All right, so this last example here, well, it's not our last example, but this example, let's just go ahead and say this example. Let's try this color. They're going to make us draw our own triangle. So let's go ahead and draw. I'm just going to draw a triangle right here and then kind of label it. So the biggest side, this looks like my biggest side. I'm going to call this one 25. I'm going to call this one 24, and then this one 20. Now I've got to put the numbers in. Okay, so the side or the angle that 25 and 24 share is going to be L. So L to N, so this has got to be an N right there, and that leaves 20 to 25. That leaves an M over here. So just kind of double check that you've got the right letters there. So ML or LM is 25, MN is 20, and LN is 24. All right, they need us to find the measure of L. So this is what we're asked for right there. So again, just label your triangle. If you want to use A, B's, and C's on top of it, that's fine. Please just know I'm going to just show you using these letters. So we could call this little n, go across from angle M, call that little m, and across from L, I'm going to write it in cursive so it doesn't look like a 1. We'll call that an L. All right, now we are asked for big L. So please note that that means we're going to start with little l. So little l squared is equal to your other two letters. So m squared plus n squared minus 2 times m times n times the cosine of whatever letters over here, cosine of angle L. If the letters are throwing you off, having the L's, M's, and N's, go back and just label them A, B, C, and you can use those letters too. All right, so let's go ahead and throw things in. Little l here was 20, so we've got 20 squared is equal to little m, which is 24 squared, plus little n, which is 25 squared, minus 2 times 24 times 25 times the cosine of L. All right, we're getting really experimental with these colors now. Let's try, that's the one that we always use. All right, so now we're just going to subtract our 24 squared from both sides, and we're going to subtract 25 squared from both sides. Okay, so those are now gone. So over here, we have our 20 squared minus 24 squared minus 25 squared. Okay, that's on the left side of the equal sign. Over here, we still have that negative 2 multiplied to 24 multiplied to 25 multiplied to the cosine of angle L. All right, now let's go ahead and do this problem. So you are going to actually put this into your calculator. And I just changed colors again. So we're going to do 20 squared. So 20 squared minus 24 squared minus 25 squared. And I have a negative 801 right there. That is going to equal, over here, I'm going to do my negative 2 multiplied to 24 multiplied to 25, which is negative 1200. And then I still have that is still multiplied to that cosine of angle L right there. All right, perfect. Now, again, we're trying to get the L by itself. We're going to divide. These are just multiplied. So multiplied together. So we're going to divide by that negative 1200 right there. And that's going to help us to see the angle or the cosine of L. Angle L is equal to 801 divided by 1200 right there. Okay, remember how to put this into your calculator. We tell our calculator we want it to work backwards. So we hit the second button and then the cosine, and then 801 divided by 1200. So in our calculator, second cosine 801 divided by 1200, and I get 48.12. So we'll just leave it as 48.1 degrees right there. And that is my angle. All right, good job on that one, guys.